Hello guys, so this video is for beginners that don't know how to trade crypto. So if you're just starting your crypto journey and you're finding it difficult to place trade both on futures, sports, or any trading, this video will guide you right. I'll try as much as I can to make it very simple to understand, right? So this exchange is WEEX, and it's a new exchange. They just launched the exchange. It's just like Bybit, Binance. So everything you know about Binance or Bybit is also here. You trade, you make withdrawals, you deposit, and so on. So they are still developing the platform, and everything seems to be working out very well. So if you have not started using them, I'll drop a link in the description of this video or the comment section where you will register with them, and you will be able to claim some bonuses. If you use my link, you can claim up to from $10 to I think up to $5,000 if you register with it. And one very good thing is that there is no need for you to do KYC also before you start trading on this platform. That's the first impression for me. So let's move on straight to the main point. So after you register with them, if you want the bonuses, you come to this reward hub here and claim all your bonuses. You click on it and you click on welcome bonus. So they have varieties of bonuses here. Once you get to this place, you claim all your bonus. If you want much bigger bonuses, you can do your KYC to get more larger bonuses, and they have daily spin and so on. So let's move on straight to the main point. After you have registered and you want to start trading on this platform, you come to your search bar. Let's say, for example, you want to trade BTC USD, for example. You will type in BTC USDT, right? So once you type in BTC USDT, you will click on it. You can see it here. You click on it, it will take you to the interface. So once you get to the place, you can see how it is. You can analyze your market because I think their platform is linked with TradingView. You can see it here, chart by TradingView. So you don't need to start going to TradingView to analyze your market. Already they have everything here. You analyze your market right in their platform, right? So after analyzing the market, how you place trade is let's look for a trade. There's one trade I called here. So this particular trade is BTC USD, buying BTC USD. So let's say you want to do limit order, for example, and this trade is saying we should buy BTC at this price, that is 98,000, right? So let's go back to our chart, and you come to this area, this side, because already you know you've already opened BTC, right? Make sure it's showing BTC here. Then you come to this place. Our signal says buy BTC, and it says limit order price 98,000. So let's go back there. Now you can see here it's on limit. So we are doing limit. What do we mean by limit order? It means we are not entering this market right away. If you want to enter the market right away, you click on this section, which is markets. You want to enter the live market just immediately. But if you're using the limit order, you want the market to trigger at a given price once it gets to a given price of your choice, right? So now this signal tells us we should buy at 98,000. The limit order would be 98,000, right? So we'll put in 98,000, right? We put in 98,000. So Once the trade comes around 98,000, it will trigger our buy. So let's go back to the trade. It says 10x leverage, right? It says 10x leverage. You know how risky leverage is, but depending on how good you are in trading, but as a complete beginner, I wouldn't advise you to go with a very high leverage. But if you already know how to trade very well and you're watching this video, you can use any leverage of your choice. So our market says 10x leverage, but you can actually increase. You can actually put a higher leverage. For example, one good thing about this platform is that their leverage is up to even 200. They give leverage up to 200, from 1 to 200. You can see 200x, which is massive. I don't think there's any platform that gives up to 200x leverage. So that's another advantage for experienced traders here that wants to use leverage. If, for example, you're using 200 leverage, you can say I've changed it to 200 leverage. But since the signal says we should use 10x, I will track this back to 10. If you have not joined our Telegram channel, we'll be dropping signals on crypto. Though before we do drop only on forex trading, but now we'll be dropping signals on crypto. So, and also those that use our link to register, we have your UID. We know we're going to add you to a special group. We'll create a private group for you guys. Once you register with our link, you send us a message, chat us on Telegram. Our Telegram handle is right there. In this, I'll drop the Telegram handle on this video description, or you go to our channel, the channel link, and click on the profile. You see our Telegram handle. So please avoid those that ask you for money. AFTechTrades will never ask you to pay money for anything. We will never ask you for money for investment or any other thing. Please be warned. We have a lot of fake groups on Telegram and other platforms. So be warned, please. We will never ask you for money for investment or anything. So let's move on. Our leverage, we said we should use 10x, right? So click on 10x. Here you can click on isolated instead of cross, right? So you can use, you see in cross, they say all positions share margin across the STM futures account to prevent liquidation. So it means if your money is on another place, once you are about getting liquidated, it will subtract from that your money. So traders may incur losses on all positions and margin. So if it is isolated, a certain amount of margin is allocated to the position. If this position margin falls below the maintenance margin, the position will be liquidated. So this will not affect your money you will get. So that's why it's good to always move your trading, what you want to trade with, on your spot trading wallet or future trading wallet. Please, what you know you don't want to trade with, leave it on your funded account. I hope you get it. So now let's say we want to use isolated. Sorry, let's say we want to use isolated. I will click on confirm. Right. Once you click on confirm, you can see this has changed to isolated, meaning we don't want to use any money from other people. We just want to use the money on our future account or on our spot trading account. So let's go back to the signal. The signal says 10x, which we have done. Here the signal says our TP. This is supposed to be our TP. Our TP 103,470.9. So let's go back. Here now, you want to, okay, let's set this one to, we said 10%, right? We said 10% or 5%, I think. We said 5%. Let me go back so that will be sure. 5% of capital. So we are putting it on 5%. Then here we said we'll set our TP. Our TP would be 103470.9, 103470.9. So our TP will be 103470.9, right? And our stop loss, which is this, will be 97240. So our stop loss would be 97240, 97240, right? So you see, if for example this hits our TP, our returns will be 111.65%. But if this hits our stop loss, would be losing minus 15%, which is very perfect and okay. Make sure anytime you want to enter any trade, your return should always be higher. It should be like 2 to 3 times higher than your loss. Please, this is very, very important. So immediately you have set all this, you click on open long, right? You click on open long, meaning you want to take order, but it will not enter immediately. Remember, I told you this is limits. This is limit. It will only trigger when it gets to this 98 price, and 98 price you can see it is around this zone, right? Our 98 price you can see. Let me put something for you to see it very well. You can see our 98 price is around this zone. If you set this one to 98 coordinates, click on 98.00, 9800, 98,000, right? So you see our 98 price is just around this blue horizontal line. So this market will not trigger until it gets to this zone, and once it gets to this zone, it will trigger a buy, meaning I have already analyzed the market, and this market, once it gets to this zone, there is higher chance that it is bouncing up. So once the market gets to this zone, it triggers our buy order, our buy limit order, then it will go up and straight to our TP where we set our TP. But if eventually this market didn't go well as planned, it will come down and hit our XL so fast that it will not take much, which is minus 15.51%. So I hope you're getting this. This is very easy. If it is a market order, like I said, you will just change this to market, meaning you want to enter the market immediately. You change this to market, then you put the entry price. Let's say the market is currently at here. If the market is currently at here, you're not putting it. You only just set in the percentage you want to use, and you set in your TP, you set in your stop loss, and immediately you enter the market. The order will start reading immediately. The order will start reading. I hope you get the difference between market and limit order. And in case of short position, we just discussed about buy now. If you want to go short position, instead you click on open short. You click on open short, so meaning you want to sell instead of buying. If you want to buy, you click on open long. If you want to sell, you click on open short. I hope this will you understand. This video is straightforward for you to understand as a beginner on how to place trade on WEEX. There is no KYC required. You must not do KYC before you start trading with them and withdraw. You can trade, you can deposit, withdraw without your KYC. You only do KYC if you want to claim several bonuses. I hope you get. If you want to claim several bonuses, then you can say, okay, you will do the next step by doing your KYC. Then also there's a bonus of $100 if you deposit $200 instantly. If your first deposit is $200, they will give you $100. What you do immediately, you register. Make sure you come to this reward hue and click on welcome bonus. Then you just go through the criteria on what to do to get these free bonuses. I think immediately you register, you have a bonus stage by stage. I hope this clarifies anything or everything as a beginner trader. If there's anything you don't understand, kindly drop it on the comment section of this video. We'll go through all your comments and reply you. And if you are yet to join our Telegram channel, like I told you, we'll be dropping signals on crypto there. Kindly join our Telegram channel and also invite your friends to also join us, your family and friends to join us. Like this video, share this video for them so that they will also benefit. And do not forget, like I told you, use our link. We'll track you. We'll track those that use our link via their UID to add you to our private free Telegram group where we drop signals back to back. It's not a general Telegram group. This is a private free Telegram group where we drop signals back to back for only those that use our link to register, and also aside the bonuses you will get from that, we're offering you this from our own end also, right? So if there is any other video you want me to do, kindly drop it on the comment section of this video, and I will do it for you, God willing. So see you in our next video. Bye.